Hello students, we are reading the chapter Should Wizard Hit Mommy, and this is a chapter in which the Jack, the father, who is telling story to his daughter Jo. Jo is now 4 years old and now she is habited to learn, she is very habitual to listen the story from her father usually at the weekends, and today the character of the story is Roger Skunk. Roger Skunk, who produce very bad smell from his body. That is why no other creature in the forest want to play with the Roger Skunk. And after listening the concept of the story, Jo feel very sad because as a child she can really understand the pain of the skunk's heart, because the child usually want to play the other comrade of their age, but now the skunk is unable to play with anyone because other animal really just run away from him. And here as according to the all concept of the story, now the skunk goes to the wild owl, and wild owl now send him to the wizard, the old wise man with a magical spell, and then he make the all solution of problems. So students, we are at page number 51, the very first line. A little river over the creek, there will be the wizard house. Wizard house, where is the wizard house situated? It is situated over the creek, and that's the way Roger Skunk went, and pretty soon he came to a little white house, and he rapped on the door. Jack rapped on the windowsill, and under the cover Jo's tall figure clenched in an infantile thrill. It means now the Roger Skunk is appear at the door of the wizard, and Skunk is knocking at the door of wizard, and Jo is feeling really a different kind of feeling in her heart, that what will happen now, and she is thinking about that now everything will be all right, because wizard with his magic spell make everything will be all right, and skunk started to produce a good smell, and other animal of the forest started to play with the skunk. But this time Jack wanted to tell a true a lesson to the Jo of the life. Here he want to listen, he want to make her learn something different. So then a tiny little old man came out. Tiny, it means a small old man came out from the cottage, from the home, and said, yeah, what is the watcher want? You smell awful. It means the wizard also accept that yes, skunk is producing really bad smell. The wizard's voice was one of Jack's own favorite effect. He did by the scrunching up his face and somehow winning through his eyes, which felt for the interval roomy. He felt being an old man suited him. Means to say, here when the Jack is telling the story to his daughter Jo, Jack is completely involved with the story, and he is not only telling the story but also he is performing the gesture according to the characters, such as when he performing the character telling the story of the character of lion. That time he produces all the qualities and he present all the gesture of a lion. Here he is producing the gesture of the wizard, how the wizard reacts when he see the skunk in front of him, and then the skunk is producing really bad smell. So Jack is completely involved in the story, not only verbally but physically also, and he is presenting the gesture, presenting the manner of the characters, they are inside the story. He felt being an old man suited him. I know it, Roger Skunk said, and all the little animals ran away from me. The enormous wise owl said you could help me. A skunk here tells his problem to the wizard that yes, you are right, I am really producing a very bad smell, that is why no other animal in the forest want to play with me. Yeah, well, maybe come on it and don't get too close. Now inside Jo there were all these magic things all jumbled and together in a big dusty heap, because the wizard did not have any cleaning lady. When the skunk entered the cottage of the wizard, what he saw there, there was a mess, and the cottage is really not manageable condition, because there was no cleaning lady inside there. Everything is just hair lying down here and there like a heap. Why? Because he was a wizard and a very old man. Will he die? Here, as I have told you before, that now Jo has become 4 years old and she is started to asking some intelligent question to her father, that is about the story. Here she is asking to her father, why she don't have a lady inside his home? Because then her daddy answered, because he was a wizard and a very old man. Will he die? Next question of the Jo, daddy, will he die? Then the daddy answered, no, wizard don't die. Wizard don't. Daddy answered that wizard don't die. Well, he rummaged around and found an old stick and called a magic wand and asked Roger Skunk what he wanted to smell like. Then the wizard searched his stick and then asked the skunk, what smell you want to be changed? Roger thought and said roses, and Roger answered that I want to smell like a rose. Yes, good, Jo said smugly. Now Jo is very happy because the end of the story is now continuously to around his own will कि अब जो कुछ होगा जैसा वो चाहती है. Yes, good. And Jo said smugly, and Jack fixed her with a trance-like gaze, chanted in the wizard's elderly, irritable voice. And the wizard's voice is the same magic she used to listen to her father, that is abracadabra, hocus poo, Roger Skunk, how do you do? And Roses, Boses, pull and ear, Roger Skunk, you never fear, bingo. He paused as a rapt and expression widened out from his daughter's nostril, forcing her eyebrows up and her lower lip down in a wide, noiseless grin, an expression in which Jack was startled to recognize his wife feigning pleasure at cocktail parties. And all of a sudden, he whispered, the whole inside of the wizard house was full of the smell of roses, roses, roses. Roger Fish cried, and the wizard said, very cranky, that will be 7 pennies. It means now when Jack is telling the next part of the story where the wizard had spelled the magic, and now the reaction of the Jo is very positively according to the conception of the story. The expression of her face is according to that, yes, what will be happen, she knows very well that now the smell of the skunk will be changed and he will started to smell like a rose, and the face expressions is that is similar to his wife Claire, who used to make these same expressions usually. And after the magic smell, the skunk started to smell like roses. And then wizard asked for 7 pennies. Daddy, what? Roger Skunk. You said Roger Fish. Yes, Skunk. You said Roger Fish. Wasn't that silly? And very silly of your stupid old daddy. Where was I? Well, you know about the pennies, say it. Because this time I have already told you that Jack is not only telling the story, because he at the same time he wants to help his wife Claire also, who is painting the wooden furniture inside down the stairs, and she is pregnant. So he missed the character and then asked the Roger Fish. And then at the same time Jo was taunting to her dad, why are you telling the character Roger Fish? Because the character of the story is Roger Skunk. Then the dad said that you just listen the conception that now the wizard asked for 7 pennies. Say it. Okay, Roger Skunk said, but all I have in 4 pennies. And he began to cry. Jo made the crying face again, but this time without a trace of sincerity. This annoyed Jack. Downstairs some more furniture rumbled. Claire shouldn't move heavy things. She was 6 months pregnant. It would be their 3rd. And Jack, as he is telling the story to his daughter, but his mind is also engaged in the activities that his wife Claire is doing, the thing that she is 6 months pregnant and now she is painting the wooden furniture, and this kind of heavy work is not according to the condition of the Claire, and he is telling the story to his daughter, and also he is very upset about his wife Claire also. So the wizard said, oh very well, go to the end of the lane, turn around 3 times, look down the magic well, there you will find the 3 pennies. And according to the same stories as usually told by the Jack to his daughter Jo, he again tell the same thing, that the skunk have go to the same place and then move around, and then he will get 3 pennies near the well. Hurry up. So Roger skunk went to the end of the lane, turned around 3 times, and there in the magic well were 3 pennies. So he took them back to the wizard and was very happy and ran out into the woods. All the other little animals gathered around him because he smelled so good, and they play tag, baseball, football, basketball, and lacrosse, and hockey, saucer, and pick up sticks. What pick up sticks? Here the daddy is telling the games of the names, that after changing the smell of the Roger skunk, now he is producing the smell of the beautiful roses, and other animal, other creature of the forest are very attracted towards the skunk because he is producing really a very beautiful and lovely smell of roses, and they started to play some game with them. And here the daddy is telling the game, the name of some games. Here the different game that is called the pick up sticks. Then again Jo raised a question to her dad, Dad, what is the game of pick up sticks? It's a game you play with sticks like the wizard's magic wand. And dad answered that it is a game that we play with the help of stick, like the wizard have a magic wand kind of, and they play games and laugh all afternoon, and then it began to get dark and they all ran home to their mommies. And after playing for a long time, now it's evening and they have to go back to their home, and skunk also want to go back to his home. Jo was starting to fuss with her hand and look out of the window at the crack of day, the show under the shade. She thought the story was all over, and Jo was very happy, and she is watching outside of the window that it's dark outside, and she is very happy now the story has ended up, and skunk has changed his smell as a roses. Jack didn't like women when they took anything for granted. He liked them the apprehensive, hanging on these words, now Jo, are you listening? So now this time Jo is very careless. She thought that the story is completed now, the end is according to the, and as according to the stories of the Jack, like other stories, the story this time also she get a very happy ending, and the skunk smell has been changed. But this time Jack is very feeling very angry with his daughter because he doesn't like the character of a female, if the female take anything as a granted, and he just want to be make his daughter a very careful listener. And he asked to his daughter, are you listening? And now he is continuing his story, and this time the story is going to some other conception, and we will continue this conception tomorrow, and you have to read out the passage yourself. Tomorrow we will continue the further part of the story. Thank you.